Go to your Google account, scroll down and click Docs. It will open for you this page. Then you click blank document will open. Go and click open. Wait for the page to load and then click upload. You can browse the document or drag it here, so you choose to browse it. Go to the document that you want to open, maybe on your computer. For me, this was the article, and then wait for it to load. Now you have your Google document. You can make some few edits to make sure that it matches the formatting for Google Docs. Maybe change the heading or the other H2s. Whatever you want, you can make spelling, editing, whatever adjustment you want to make. You can do them here. Now you have your Google document. So what to do now is to share. Click share, and then click anyone with the link. You can change the viewership depending on who you are sending to, maybe an editor or maybe a commenter. You can change the viewership depending on those, but for you, for the recipient to be able to see it, the document, you have to give permission by clicking anyone with link. Now you can also convert the Google document into a Word document by clicking file. You go to file and then click download, and then you are going to get another menu. Click Word, you download it, you open it, and after opening it, now you have a Google Doc. Maybe you had a Google Doc, now you wanted a Word document. Now you can convert it back